In today's video, I will walk you through how to create a semi-log graph in Google Sheets. Make sure your data is ready in a Google Sheets spreadsheet with one column for X values and another for Y values. Select the full data range by dragging across the cells. Then go to the top menu, click Insert, and choose Chart. Google Sheets will automatically generate a chart for your selection. On the right in the chart editor, change the chart type to a line chart so your data displays as a trend line. Next, open the Customize tab in the chart editor. Go to the axis settings and choose the axis you want to apply a logarithmic scale to. If you're working with the x-axis, open horizontal axis and turn on log scale. If you also need the y-axis, open vertical axis and enable log scale there as well. The chart will update immediately if the graph looks incorrect or data disappears. Check your dataset for zeros or negative values since log scales cannot display them. Once the scale is set, adjust the chart appearance if needed. You can change the line color, add markers, adjust font size, and add titles or labels using the same Customize panel. After that, review your chart to make sure it clearly shows your data trend. Your semi-log graph is now complete in Google Sheets.